everyone, welcome to my very first YouTube video sharing Must Be Paper 1 strategies. And in my opinion, the reason why most students lose their marks in Must Be Paper 1, it's not because they don't understand the concept very well, but due to their poor time management and lack of exam strategy. So here I am sharing Must Be Paper 1 strategy that I used in my official exam and my school mock test exam. So here are the most common problems that we encountered while doing Must Be Paper 1. The very first one is time pressure. Of course, we only have an hour and 30 minutes to do the whole paper, which contain around 25 to 29 questions in total. So we do need to be in rush solving easy questions. And if we are in rush and if we do everything really quickly, we may tend to make careless mistakes, so which is pretty normal. And the last one is weak problem solving confidence. The reason why we are not confident in solving and familiar questions is because whenever we do past paper for most students, they focused on finishing the papers like a lot of year rather than working each questions efficiently, showing step by step and analyzing the marking scheme. So that these are the main reasons why for having weak problem solving confidence and ability. So here it's the solutions for time pressure. One of the most effective method that I used during my official final exam is that solving the questions um, from question 1 to question 18 within 40 to 45 minutes. So as long as we can finish those easy questions within 45 minutes, we're more likely to finish the whole paper within the time limit. So most questions from question 1 to question 18 are like 3 marks, something that we can solve easily and quickly. So if we do those easy questions quickly, we will have more time to spend on high marks hard questions. Bear in mind that the more challenging the questions, the more marks it will provide. So it's really important to spend enough time in solving those difficult questions. And remember that we will have to solve around 25 to 29 questions in total within an hour and 30 minutes. So we do need to be in rush in solving symbols and easy questions. Another one is that making careless mistakes. For most students, although no matter how they are well-rounded with mathematical knowledge, no matter how they're smart, and no matter how they finish many year past paper, the reason why they lose most of their marks is that it's by making careless mistakes. Although this problem may seem negligible, it is so important to attain all the marks that we do during the exam. So as long as we get the marks as we do during the exam, uh, there will be less chance to lose the marks that are unexpected. So there's no other way around for this case other than staying calm and focused during the exam and be confident in yourself because you have done a lot of works and it's been almost 2 years that you've been trying for this. And it's another one is that try to answer all the questions accurately and precisely at once because we'll have you know less time to check all the questions at the end. And not only do we need to focus on speed, but we do need to focus on accuracy as well. And it's really important to avoid making really simple errors, such as unit conversion, like changing sides, and even copying the numbers from the questions. And one of the most underrated reason why we lose in marks in masterly paper one is weak problem solving confidence, as I mentioned earlier. Every year, Pearson wants to classify students' ability fairly, so they ask NC and new style questions that we've never imagined that such kind of questions exist in this world. So when you encounter the question that you never imagined that you will get that kind of questions before, something unfamiliar, don't panic. And all you need to do is to apply your medical knowledge step by step. So even the question may seem really challenging, break the questions into smaller parts by reading the questions carefully because every, provided points are really important to get the final answer. And bear in mind that as long as you show the correct working, although you don't reach to the final answer, you can still gain the marks. So thank you so much everyone for watching my video until the end and wish you all the best luck and hope you all can achieve the marks that you all deserve. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.